Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're looking for the latest and greatest in wearable skincare technology, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the FAQ 202 Advanced 7 LED Lights Face Mask, a product that promises to take your skincare routine to the next level. This advanced mask comes equipped with an ultra-lightweight, wireless design and 8 LED light colors, each targeting different skin concerns. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The FAQ 202 face mask offers a fresh approach to skincare with its flexi-fit silicone material designed to mold seamlessly to your face like a second skin. It boasts a total of 600 strategically placed glow points, distributing light evenly to ensure maximum coverage. With 8 different LED light colors, each offering distinct benefits, this mask targets everything from acne to anti-aging, providing a personalized skincare experience. Its app-connected design allows you to adjust settings via your smartphone, and the open eye design and non-slip headband ensure comfort and security as you wear it. After using this mask, I can confidently say it's a unique and innovative tool. The silicone fits comfortably on the face, and the lightweight design doesn't cause any discomfort, even during extended use. I really appreciated how evenly the LED lights were distributed across the face, providing consistent coverage. The app connectivity adds a modern touch, giving you control over your skincare routine from your phone, which is convenient, especially for those who enjoy a tech-savvy approach to beauty. In terms of performance, the LED light therapy felt soothing on the skin. The different color settings are easy to switch between and provide targeted care for various skin concerns. For example, the blue light is great for calming inflammation, while the red light helps with collagen production. However, one minor downside is that the app connection can be a bit tricky to set up initially, and it's best to follow the instructions closely. Let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the mask's design is incredibly lightweight, and the flexibility of the silicone ensures it molds to various face shapes, making it comfortable for long sessions. The 8 LED light settings are a real standout, allowing for a more customized skincare regimen based on your individual needs. The app control is a bonus for anyone who likes integrating technology into their skincare. On the downside, while the fit is comfortable, I noticed that the mask might shift slightly during movement, which could be an issue for people planning to multitask while using it. Additionally, the app connection, as mentioned, could use a smoother setup process, especially for users who aren't as familiar with technology. When it comes to value for money, the FAQ 202 face mask is positioned in the higher-end category for skincare gadgets. Considering the high-tech features, the customizable LED light therapy, and the silicone construction, it certainly offers a premium experience. However, the price might be a bit steep for those just looking for a simple skincare tool. For those committed to incorporating LED therapy into their routine, this mask justifies the cost with its advanced features and comfortable design. In comparison to other LED face masks on the market, the FAQ 202 stands out because of its flexibility and app-connected design. Many similar products don't offer such a customizable experience, and the lightweight silicone fit is a definite improvement over the bulkier alternatives. However, some other masks are available at a lower price without the app features, but they may not offer the same level of personalization. Now let's touch on build quality. The mask feels durable, and the silicone material seems strong enough to withstand regular use. The mask's construction is lightweight yet sturdy, which is key when wearing it for long periods. As for longevity, the product appears to be built for extended use, but as with any high-tech item, it's essential to follow the care instructions to ensure it lasts. When it comes to customer support, I haven't had direct interactions with the brand's customer service, but based on its reputation, I'd expect prompt and helpful responses. The app setup could be clearer, but once you're up and running, the overall experience should be smooth. If you're considering alternatives, there are similar LED face masks out there, such as the Project E Beauty Mask, which offers a similar range of light therapies, but at a slightly lower price. However, it lacks the app connectivity and may not offer the same flexibility in terms of fit and comfort. In conclusion, the FAQ 202 Advanced 7 LED Lights Face Mask offers a solid, high-tech solution for skincare enthusiasts looking for customizable LED therapy. While it has a few minor quirks, like the app setup and slight movement during use, it excels in comfort and light distribution. If you're committed to LED light therapy and don't mind the premium price tag, this mask could be a great addition to your routine. Is this review useful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so others interested in wearable skincare can find this video too. Thank you for watching Beautyistic. The link to grab this product is in the comments box. Feel free to share your thoughts if you've tried it or have any questions about it. Goodbye for now, and remember, your beauty journey is just a mask away.